Hello children. In this video we will study class 3 social studies and chapter number 9, that is Mumbai. So when we heard the name of Mumbai, first thing that comes to our mind is the gateway of India. Yes, the gateway of India is located in the Mumbai. One of the most important metropolitan cities of India is Mumbai. People also call it as City of Dreams. Mumbai is one of the most populated cities of the world. So early name of Mumbai was Bombay. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and Marathi is the language that people speak. Mumbai is also called as the financial capital of India. So now let's study about history of Mumbai. Earlier, Mumbai was occupied by a tribe of fishermen called Kolis. Around 300 years ago, there was a group of 7 islands which were closely located. So these islands belongs to the Kolis. Kolis were governed by the Hindu rulers. Kolis used to go far into the sea to catch the fish, and they were very happy and they were very prosperous. As the time went by, the Hindu ruler lost this island to Muslims, and the Muslim rulers were attacked by the Portuguese. Then Portuguese took over, the British fought the Portuguese and the Portuguese lost the islands. The British joined the islands together into one and called the reshaped area as Bombay. The real name of Bombay is Mumbai. Mumba Devi is the goddess of Koli people. The city is now named after the mother goddess Mumba Devi. Now let's see the location of Mumbai. So Mumbai is located on the western coast of India, faces the Arabian Sea. It has the busiest seaport in India. Ships carrying goods came to Mumbai. Ships also carry many goods from other countries to our country. Next, government. The offices of Maharashtra state government are located in Mumbai. We can see offices of the governor, the chief minister and the other ministers of the Mumbai. They stay in the Mumbai. Climate. The climate of Mumbai is moderate, which means neither too hot nor too cold. Rain. Mumbai gets heavy rains during the rainy season in the month of June, July and August. The beauty of Mumbai enhances in the rainy season. Summer. Being a coastline area, it is quite humid during summers. Winters. So winters are quite pleasant and enjoyable. Economy. We can see so many industries in Mumbai. Mumbai serves as the economic center of India. It has many big cotton textile mills or industries. Large number of people work in these mills. The stock exchange in Mumbai is one of the most important stock exchanges in the country. We can also see other major industries which produce medicines, electronic goods and edible oils. Utility services and transport services. In Mumbai, water is supplied by the Bombay Municipal Corporation, that is BMC. Electricity is distributed by Brihan Mumbai Electric Supply and Transport, which is known as BEST. It also runs public buses. Mumbai people travel by the local trains and buses to go from one place to another place of the city. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the busiest airport in India. The early name of Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport was the Sahara International Airport. People and culture. So people who live in Mumbai are called as Mumbaikar. In Mumbai, we can see so many people belonging to different religions and culture. All the important festivals are celebrated in Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival It is celebrated with lots of joy and happiness. Food. Mumbai is famous for its street food like bhel puri, pani puri, pav bhaji and vada pav. They also have Shrikhand, Shira and Puran Poli as the popular desserts. South Indian and Chinese food is also very popular in Mumbai. So let's see the monuments and places of interest in Mumbai. The most famous building in Mumbai is Gateway of India. It is a historical monument located in the waterfront of South India. Haji Ali's tomb, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, which is known for as Prince of Wales Museum. Hanging Garden is the perfect picnic spot for Mumbai's. SL World is India's first and largest amusement park is also located in Mumbai. We can also see Nehru Planetarium, National Science Center, the Shoe House and the Elephanta Caves in Mumbai. Mumbai is also famous for its beaches. The people of Mumbai spend their evenings on the beaches. Some of the famous beaches are Marine Drive, Chowpatty, Juhu and Aksa. Marine Drive are called as Queen's Necklace because the shining lights at night looks like Queen's necklace. In Mumbai, we can see so many shopping malls are there. Ataria Mall, Phoenix Mall are the famous malls in Mumbai. It is also famous for street shopping. Mumbai is the birthplace of Bollywood. So many films are featured here. Most of the Hindi films and TV serial are made here. Most of the film stars and TV stars live in Mumbai. So this is all about Mumbai. If you like this, you can hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.